guys, and good morning everyone. Good morning also my friends from Zimbabwe. Today I do have my tutorial to explain you the tips and ideas which I used within this instrumental. So guys, watch up to the end of the video to not miss anything that I will explain you here in this tutorial. So first of all, subscribe to my channel if you're new here and hit the notification button below so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos here related to this. So thank you for watching, and let us continue doing what we do always. We do have a bass, the drums here. Here we do have a kick, we do have a snare, a percussion, hi-hat, clap, and also snare here. It's very simple for you to access this plugin. For example, if you come here, this part is for you to select the plugins, and this part is a place where you can draw your melodies from the plugins which you selected here. For example, if you looking for this tab and you go down here, if you find this place that is black and you click, if you click with the right button of your mouse, it will display information like this. These are the plugins which you might be using for creating your melodies, and these also are a class equalizer for you to do the masterization of your beats. You need to use this equalizer compressor to increase the volume, and you have the reverb and a lot of things here. For example, for you to select the presets for your melodies, it is very important to locate where is the icon. If you find the icon, just click on the icon. It will take you to this place where you can find your melodies, or where you can find the presets for your melodies. So without talking too much, I drew the strings first of all. Very simple. I use the tone wheel that is the organ for this melody. After this melody, I had to draw I had to copy this melody here down here and paste them up here to this channel, and I chopped them like this. I use the tour, and I use the new blade preset. You call it new blade. Let me show you here. It is written new blade, and that melody that you are hearing, I use the tone wheel that is organ. Everything is explained here, and after that I had to draw this melody here from any sheet. I used the jazz plugin, and I had to make some changes to play a little bit different. Okay, after that I had to copy also the melody, the strings which I drew here, and I had to copy them in this plugin. I use the old blue. Okay, and after that I had to draw another melody up here, since we are dealing with the coordination. As you see, this melody up here is melody is coordinating with this melody that I drew down here, and after this melody I had to draw this one. So for example, I left so much spaces here, since we are dealing with intelligence, creativity. So it is not important for you to put anything that comes in your mind. Something else you must ignore. So put the basic, the essential. For example, after I had drawing this, I had to answer this melody with this one that is below here. You see, they are coordinating. I use the saw it off for this for this melody, and here I use the virgin organ for this. The plugin is Tori. So I use the virgin organ that is a preset. Let me show you here for you to understand. This is a virgin organ, but the plugin is Tori, and here is a new blade. But the plugin is Tori also. But if you want for you to choose the presets, just click in this icon that it will give you the presets for you to choose for your melody. So after that, I had to draw another melody here that is a bass. Okay, let me enter here. Okay, very simple. This was the tutorial for today, guys. If you like these types of video, just subscribe to my channel and invite your friend also to be the friend of this channel, because I have more content to show you, and I'm free here to help you get the results that you want. If you want also this project, I can send. Just give me your number in the description and in the comments, that I will answer your questions and doubts later, and we will send you on WhatsApp this project for you to add something else or to sing. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. This was the tutorial for today's video. Nothing to comment, nothing. I want to thank you also for the things that you're doing for me, because you're subscribing. I'm from Mozambique, and for me it's the best time to speak English. I'm learning how to speak it, but if you find any mistake, just correct me. I would like to improve my English and also get in contact with you guys. I have been learning how to speak English, but I think I'm trying my best to get in contact with you guys. So thank you very much.